Potential for geoengineering tech mitigate effect of climate change. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges facing our planet today. The effects of global warming are becoming increasingly apparent, from rising sea levels to more frequent and severe natural disasters. But what if there was a way to mitigate these effects? Enter geoengineering. Geoengineering refers to a range of technologies that aim to manipulate the Earth's climate in order to counteract the effects of global warming. One of the most promising forms of geoengineering is carbon capture and storage. This involves capturing carbon dioxide from industrial emissions or directly from the air and storing it in underground geological formations. Another form of geoengineering is solar radiation management, which involves reflecting sunlight back into space in order to reduce the amount of heat absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere. This can be achieved through a variety of methods, such as the deployment of reflective aerosols into the stratosphere or the construction of large solar panel farms in space. Finally, there is ocean fertilization, which involves adding nutrients to the ocean in order to stimulate the growth of algae, which in turn absorb carbon dioxide. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as the deployment of giant fans that blow wind across the ocean surface, or the addition of iron or nitrogen to the water. While these technologies have the potential to mitigate the effects of climate change, they are not without their risks. Carbon capture and storage, for example, requires large amounts of energy and can be expensive to implement. Solar radiation management could have unintended consequences, such as altering weather patterns or causing harm to the ozone layer. And ocean fertilization could have unpredictable effects on marine ecosystems. That's why it's important that these technologies are thoroughly tested and evaluated before being deployed on a large scale. Scientists and engineers are currently working to develop and refine these technologies, with the hope that they could play a role in mitigating the effects of climate change in the future. Ultimately, the best way to mitigate the effects of climate change is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through the transition to renewable energy sources and sustainable practices. Geoengineering technologies should be seen as a complementary strategy, rather than a substitute for reducing emissions. Thanks for watching.